Okay, look at 5b, given that piecewise function and it is continuous everywhere. Bermaksud semua titik pertukaran function adalah continuous. So when you get piecewise, firstly we draw out the interval. It's not drawing the graph but just writing out the interval. You have q. Less than q is this function. Then q to 2 is this function. After 2 is QB function. Alright? And then we notice the point. You can see Q point is following, equals to Q is following this. So Q point is follow here. Boleh. Titik Q adalah ikut function R X tambah 6. Then titik point 2 adalah follow the function of QB. Boleh? Kita kena tahu titik dia. Sebab why? Continuous everywhere. Continuous, is it mean limit left hand side equals to right hand side only? Tak. Continuous mean limit must be axis and must be equals to point, betul? Ada 3 syarat, betul? Point mesti ada. Point ada tak? Ada. Syarat kedua, condition number 2, limit must be axis. Kiri kena sama dengan kanan lah, betul? Then, condition number 3, limit must be equals to the point. Then only baru complete dia punya definition of continuous. So when we doing equation, we want to find it continuous everywhere for this point Q. Selain kita buat kiri sama dengan kanan, you kena sama dengan koordinat dia juga. Selain kita buat koordinat X equals to 2, selain kiri kanan, kita kena sama dengan koordinat dia juga. Okay, ikut definisi continuous. Definisi continuous. And we have one information extra here where coordinate F2 is equals to P. Look at coordinate F2. Coordinate F2 is equals to X cubed minus P. Betul. Betul. So X is 2 means 2 power 3 equals to P plus P equals to 2P. We will need to find out PQR. So 2P is equals to 8. P will be equals to 4. So first information done. Dia bagi koordinat sana, kita dapat cari P dah. Then we continue at X equals to Q. Dekat koordinat X equals to Q, make sure it continuous, betul? So when you want to make sure it is continuous, limit X approaches Q from the left hand side, function equals to coordinate Q equals to limit from the right hand side. Ada 3 benda. Tetapi dalam kiraan koordinat Q ni ikut siapa? Koordinat Q ikut function belah kanan kan? So sebenarnya calculation 2 ni adalah sama. So koordinat Q ikut formula ini. So formula ini maksudnya kira limit pun sama dah. So calculation kita boleh kira limit terus. Faham? Dia koordinat Q, dia bukan koordinat satu asing-asing formula lain, tak ada. Ataupun nilai lain, tak ada. Koordinat Q is follow the linear function sini. So maksudnya ini dua adalah setara. Ini dua adalah benda yang sama. We just make sure nanti calculation dia sama juga belah kiri. Maka dia akan continuous. Limit boleh axis, koordinat pun akan sama. Faham? Alright, so cari limit dia when we substitute Q dan P kita tahu 4. Cuba substitute. 2 minus q square minus 4 over q. Evaluate your limit, substitute your q. And this one, put in your q, r q plus 6. Okay, kita biarkan dia macam ni dulu because R we don't know, Q we don't know. Nanti nak simplify kita tak tahu. Lagi satu maklumat belum lagi ni. Berlaku dekat X equals to 2. So when X equals to 2, can we find some information to help us solve this equation? When X equals to 2, limit X approaches 2 from the left hand side is Rx plus 6 equals to coordinate of 2 and equals to limit approaches from the right hand side, x cubed minus p, where p we found it just now, it is equals to 4. Dan kita, we look at the interval, 2 is follow the function of x cubed. So from here, meaning that 2 is follow the function of x cubed. So the coordinate is same with the, is already same with the limit from the right hand side. Dia memang akan sama lah sebab formula yang sama. Equation yang sama. Faham? Function yang sama. Then we just need to calculate this and this. So evaluate our limit to R, then 2 plus 6. This one, evaluate our limit to 2 cubed minus 4. So we can find R first. We can get R first, then only we come back to this equation. Boleh? So sini tadi ada dua unknown, kita tak tahu kan? So berhenti, kita guna lagi satu equation, cari tengok. So 8R, 4. So R equals to 1 over 2. Then we can substitute here, R is equals to 1 over 2. Find your Q. Alright, so we expand. We can see we have square, we expand, kita darab, kita hilangkan penyebut dia. Expand dulu. Then times Q. Q square plus 6Q. Boleh? Then kita hilangkan penyebut lagi, times 2. Times 2. 4 minus 4. Habis. So we get a quadratic, we rearrange Q square. Then we move this one, minus 10Q equals to 0. Betul ke? This is 4Q. A square 2AB, B square 4Q square 6Q times 2. So 2 cancel. Move here, minus Q square. Move here, negative 14. Factorize. So you get Q equals to 0, Q equals to 14. Then look at your interval back. Your Q, can it be 14? If follow the interval, Q is less than 2. Betul? So we follow the interval Q supposed to less than 2. Therefore, only the suitable Q is value of 0. Dia tak sesuai dalam interval. So itulah penting bila kita dapat piecewise function, kita catat interval dulu. Dan interval tu boleh tolong kamu nampak value tu di mana. Dia kena logik di tempat dia. Faham?